to do. And you know, a lot of kids enjoying this. Well, there's a lot of snow in the cars and truck beds, too. Keep those photos coming, folks. The kids have been out enjoying the storm. They've been bundled up appropriately. The question is, are you? Hats are a must. We hope you will go to thebostonchannel.com. We're going to have much more, obviously, on the blizzard of 2010 coming up here in just a few minutes. But in the meantime, you can watch video from around the state. You can browse through by CVB viewers, and you'll also find a list of parking bans, and you can sign up to have severe weather alerts sent right to your phone.
Coming up next on newscenter 5.
A mysterious death at the Bush Mansion. The girlfriend of the Budweiser heir dies. No one calls for help for nearly an hour.
At 6 o'clock tonight, we'll bring you the latest on a tragic day in Woburn. A police officer killed in a shootout with a robber. What happened to that crook? Still ahead on newscenter 5.
This week, one unforgettable year. Disaster.
50 tons of relief is still waiting.
Drama.
You can see them dropping another bag here now.
Dreams.
So beautiful. Oh!
The moments that moved us on World News with Diane Sawyer on ABC.
It's something a little like the new, from growing car. An IIHS top safety pick, just like the Soul, Forte, and Sportage. Now at the new model. And check for a limited time. Tell if you've many. Is
this season, let's live. No proven power, the kind that comes from the legendary Ram.
47.
I got new carpet for this entire room, but I only had to pay for this much of it.
Empire's 60% off sale is on again. Better than ever. Shop at home and save 60% on quality name brand carpet with no interest for 1 year. And we install next day.
You can get a lot more carpet for a whole lot less.
60% off is huge. Call today.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
Nissan's year-end event is almost over. Get up to an additional $750 holiday bonus cash. Visit ChooseNissan.com or see your local Nissan dealer today. Hurry, bonus cash ends January 3rd.
Of course, Maine wasn't spared from this storm either.
Wind gusts there reached roughly 50 miles an hour in parts, pretty strong, and the governor called a state of emergency there too. Jim Keithley with our sister station WMTW is live with the conditions in Saco, Maine. Hey, Jim.
Well, how are you? It's just as cold up here in Maine, that's for sure. And I tell you, we got about 8 inches to a foot of snow, depending on where you were. But, we can handle this. You can see the snowbank here. Obviously, this has been plowed. But the real story were these near blizzard condition winds, 30 miles an hour. They are still whipping. You can see the flag over there. Even now, the storm, of course, has come and gone. And we caught up with the power company in Maine, and they expected massive outages because of this. But what happened, they said, is that the snow that normally would weigh down the tree limbs and the power lines simply blew away. So that was pretty good for them. We did check out the beaches. The surf was pounding, as you'd expect. Most people, though, spent this day just digging out like everybody else, saying that this is just the way it is here in Maine. It is winter after all. And just like down there in Boston, of course, we have our parking bans and our people stuck at the airport. Live in Saco, Maine, Jim Keithley. We'll send it back to you.
You know, that parking ban thing is
Don't you just
happening
hate it?
everywhere. Yeah,
Don't you just
but I
hate
wonder
it?
if they put the chairs
No,
in.
because the
Park
people in
their
Maine don't have to
spots
worry
there.
about that. No.
Our Blizzard 2010 coverage continues in just a moment.
We'll take you to Logan Airport. Keith was just talking about that. The storm will go down in history books there, and when air travel will be back to normal.
Also more on the blizzard's effect at shopping malls. You know, it was supposed to be a very big shopping day today. What the experts say about the storm's economic impact.
And you know, it's turned out to be a cold and a snowy December. I don't have all the answers, but I might have a clue or two. I'll share that with
How about that one? Nope.
For people who are particular. This is a great back.
Now during the cheap big finish, lease qualified returning Christ.
Did you know the most popular mattresses made today are memory foam? You've seen this before. Well, right now at Jordan's Furniture, you can buy this queen-size 8-inch memory foam mattress in the USA for only $4.99. That's right, $4.99. And it's made with soy-based foam, which means it's better for you, better for the environment, and at $4.99, it's better for your pocketbook. And it's only at Jordan's Furniture.
I should be jumping in the air for maximum year-end event effect. But then me.
for up to $7,000 savings on the 2010 Grand.
For everyone. People magazine calls it pure 4 stars.
Best day of your life? I figure you should have a decent seat.
Don't even think of missing this one. Tangled, now playing in 3D, rated PG.
This winter, don't get stuck in an import. Recognized as a Consumer's Digest Best Buy. Fact, Chevy crossovers off drive. Toyota off drive. And Traverse features the most cargo room in all your winter gear. And right now, qualified lessees can get a low-mileage lease on a 2011 Traverse LS for around $289 a month. Call for details. Event ends January 3rd.
Closed caption funding provided by Insurance. Disability. What's your policy?
In Britain a week ago on terror charges are being held. The suspects made brief appearance in the London court next due in court. Targeted several buildings in stock exchange. They also say the suspects had no working plan ready to act. Richest families, the Anheuser-Busch beer empire. 10-year-old Adrian Martin are dead inside the